Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Range Rover Park Assist. This intelligent feature is designed to make parking simpler and less stressful, whether you are navigating a busy city street or a crowded lot. It can assist you with parallel parking, perpendicular parking, and even exiting a parallel space. Let's dive right into how to activate and utilize this convenient technology for a smoother parking experience every time. To begin, simply press the dedicated Park Assist button, usually found near your gear selector or on the center console. Once activated, your vehicle's touchscreen will display options for parallel or perpendicular parking. Select the type you need. Remember to drive slowly, typically below 18 miles per hour, as you pass potential parking spots. This allows the system's sensors to accurately measure the space and identify if it's large enough for your Range Rover. After the system identifies an appropriate space, it will prompt you to stop and select reverse gear. At this point, the vehicle takes over the steering, guiding itself precisely into the chosen spot. Your role is to manage the accelerator and brake pedals, controlling the speed of the maneuver. Always remain vigilant, keeping an eye on your surroundings and the vehicle's mirrors, as you are ultimately responsible for safe operation. The Park Assist system will clearly indicate on your screen when the automated parking maneuver is finished. At this point, you can take full control of the steering wheel. Sometimes, a small manual adjustment might be needed to perfectly align your Range Rover within the space. Always remember that while the system assists, you remain in command. Stay aware of pedestrians, other vehicles, and obstacles throughout the entire parking sequence for maximum safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.